I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What up, good people? It's your boy, Ellis Sherrod 254 man, tune in for another one. As you can see, got to trim off the 2 diesel. We got a long road ahead of us. Thank you to everybody that chimed in, gave me your feedback, etc. We will be taking this down to the gritty, the nitty gritty, so that we can have the best results. Because of course you don't want to have to end up doing this twice. From what I've seen, I think they can come off. It's kind of up in there tight though, so I don't know. But if we have to, we'll just put the paint thinner on there. Talk to my man Underground Paint King, my man Sprayway shouted back at me in the video, said we probably need to take that thing down to the nitty gritty metal. So that's what we gonna do. I'm gonna order some paint remover, give me some plastic, and then give me some 40 and some 36 grit, and we're gonna get to work on this. Yeah, so down to the metal we will go. It's probably about 2 days before I actually started. Cause I'm starting it on the 1st of March, just so I can have a couple days, just chill, relax, not really do anything, and then we'll pick up from there. I did get a care package though, a little Santa Cortez is what we'll call them. Santa Cortez left me a polisher. Let me see what else he left us. Now, see, I would be lost about what all this stuff is, but I've been watching Sprayway videos. So let me try to impart some of the knowledge that Sprayway has left me to y'all. So basically, it's 3 steps. When you get ready to cut and buff, this is not for this because this eventually will get cut and buff, but it's nowhere near close to that right now. So in the beginning, what you need is, okay, so you'll start with the ultra cut or a compound. I'm guessing this is compound. This is a cleaner. This is, I guess, the wax that goes on the very top. And then this is a polish. I'm not 100% sure about these 2 steps of cleaner, but maybe they are like the polish and then the ultra finishing polish. I think Sprayway showed a different brand. It was showing some in 3M McGuire's or whatever, anything like that. But actually, if you look right here, it shows like, I guess, the level, like it's a light cut. So the ultra finishing polish is 4. This is a 5. This is a 7. And this is a 12. So without me even really knowing or paying attention to that, because your boy just be winging it. So it looks like you would start here with the ultra cut compound, and then you would go down to either the medium cut or fine cut cleaner, probably the medium cut, and then you could go to the ultra finishing polish, or you might want to use the fine cut and then use the ultra finishing polish. This one is applied using the terry cloth looking thing, buffing thing. Then you got the medium cut cleaner and fine cut, which probably apply using like the polishing pad. And then you got your ultra, which goes on by like a waffle pad. So that's my off the dome assessments. And then we got some, like I said, the wax, of course, is probably the exact last thing that you put on. And then this is also compound as well. So this might just be like a higher. This looks like this is like behind this look like the out front stuff that everybody can get. And then you got this one right here, which is the professional. But yeah, man, either way, shout out to Cortez, dropping this Santa Cortez care package off to us. We definitely gonna put it to work. Is it necessary? I'm gonna say no. Will it make it look even better? I'm gonna say yes. It's all about what you want to put off into it. So, you know, deal with that information as you will, or what you will. But yeah, we're gonna definitely put it to good work. I just gotta get some some bonnets or whatever. Get the bonnets or whatever so that I can get the it's like a bonnet or something to put on there for the different applications and stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is probably another very short video. I'm saying shout out once again to my man Cortez for dropping this off on me. I appreciate it. And yeah, it's all in the next couple days. You know what I'm saying? We finna get down to business. I go to work tomorrow. When I go to work tomorrow, I'll go ahead and I'll secure the package that is the aircraft paint remover. I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily get this brand. I know that Master Pro, which is the O'Reilly's brand, they offer something as well. So I may try that as well, or try that one first because it's cheaper, and if it gets the job done, fine. If it don't, then we might have to step it up a notch. So there's that. Sure. But yeah, man, that's all I got. It's cold. I'm going back inside to play video games. Later. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.